I want to talk about these bathroom shelves that Tinpin sent me to do a video on. First of all, what do you get? What's in the box? You can see right there you have all the pieces, the pipes, the boards, directions, as well as all of the hardware you're going to need. Really, you just need the screws, and depending on what way you decide to go, you've got some drywall anchors. And to start, it's pretty easy. You're just going to assemble it before you put it on the wall. And the instructions are very easy to follow. You've got one end there, right there, that's got the screw, and you'll take the other end that is threaded, and you will screw it in, and you will pretty much follow that same approach through the rest of the setup. One helpful hint, don't over tighten it to start. Make sure you get it solid, but you want to leave yourself a little wiggle room as you're putting it together. It'll make it easier to make things line up, and once you have it all set, you can tighten up really good before you get it onto the wall. And lastly, you'll put in the towel hanger and swing that arm into place, and you're looking good. You can see right there that is the completed unit ready to go on the wall. And as far as getting it hung on the wall, pretty easy. The only equipment I used a screwdriver, I used a power drill, and a level and a pencil. You're going to want that. You see right there. I'm getting it level, and next I'm going to be, once I have it level, I'm going to be marking where exactly I want my screws to go in. And you can see right there, drilling little pilot holes where the screws will go. And it's personal preference. I did not use the drywall anchors. If you so desire, you can use them. Next, right here, I am just screwing the unit into the wall. It takes a little bit to get the first couple ones started and make sure you're level. But once you do, it's very easy. You just plug it in and get it attached to the wall. So initial impressions, I love the look. It's going to look fantastic in here. You can see right here, I've got it finished and hanging. Don't mind the work that I need to do on my sheetrock. I had to take down an old towel hanger, so I have a little bit of cleanup work there. But as far as the unit, very impressed, and I think it's going to look great. And finally, here it is. You can see it with some stuff on it. Clearing up a little bit of space on the sink. I think it looks great. It's a great accent piece. Additionally, you can see there is a home suite down at the bottom that you can put on the wall. I might be putting that up later, I might not. If you'd like one for your bathroom, please click on the link in the description below.